एंगल्स, कुछ स्पेसिफिक एंगल्स की हेल्प से हम वैल्यूज़, एंगल की वैल्यूज़ निकालेंगे, एवेल्यूएट करेंगे, वैल्यू निकालेंगे, मान निकालेंगे। तो उससे पहले हमें इस टेबल को क्रिएट करना आना चाहिए कि हाउ टू क्रिएट दिस टेबल स्पेसिफिक एंगल, व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 0. So first of all, everybody here write here angle and the ratios also here. This is the here ratio and this is the angles here. This is the ratios. Write here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, secant theta, cosec theta, cot theta. So write here all 6 trigonometric ratios, and in this way, first of all write the 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree angle. So first of all, everybody in this first 0 के नीचे आप लिखेंगे 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then reverse of this number, it means 4 right here, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Then again 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this way, in the next is in sine and cos theta. Everybody divide by the here 4, write the 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, and in the cos theta also divide by 4, 4, 4 and divide by 4 and 0 divide by 4. And in the tan theta, converse of this number, it means divide by 4, divide by 3, divide by 2, divide by 1 and divide by 0. So, and then after this, square root of the whole number, every number convert into this square number. इन पे सब पे रूट लगा दीजिए, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों पे सब पे रूट लगा देंगे. √3/4 √4 हो जाएगा, √2/√4, √1/4, √0.4, 0.4 and 0.4 and 2/2 root and √3/1 and √4.0. So 0.4 it means 0. So sine 0 it means value of sine 0 is 0, and sine 30 it means √1 is the here 1 and √4 it means 2. It means sine 30 is here 1/2 and √2 it means cancel by the here 1 and 2, and then root of 1 is 1 and root of 2 it means √2 यानी 1/√2. sin 45 की वैल्यू जो होगी 1/√2 हो गई, and then √3/2 and here 1. Then converse of this, it means 1, √3/2 and cancel by here 2, it means 1/√2 and here 1/2 and 0.4 it means value of 0 here. It means cos 90 is here 0 and 0.4 here again 0, 1/√3 and here 1. It means tan 45 is always 1, √3 and here not defined means ND, not defined, it means infinite. इसको हम डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते. secant theta, sec theta and cotangent theta is the converse of these words. It means sec theta, sec 0 is here 0/1. It means 1/0. 1/0 it means not defined, and 2/1 and √2/1 and here 2/√3 and this is the 1/1, it means 1. So this is the complete here. Secant the reciprocal of the cos theta, it means 1/1, it means here 1, right here 1, 2/√3 and √2/1 and reciprocal of this 1/2 it means 2/1 and reciprocal of the 1/0 it means 1/0 1 upon 0 it means not defined. And the cotangent theta is the here 0.1. 0.1 it means 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 it means not defined, इसे हम डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते. Then tangent 1 root 3 upon 1. The reciprocal of the 1 it means 1 upon 1, and the root 3 upon 1 it means 1 upon root 3, and the last is the 4 upon 0 it means 0.4. 0.4 it means 0. This is how to make this some specific angles.